Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monifa, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys some tips on how to improve your skincare. So I don't know how much tips I'm gonna give you. It's not in any particular order. It's just a few skincare tips that I know and that have been proven to improve your skincare. And if you guys would like to find that out, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. And without further ado, let's get into it. The first tip that I want to talk about is make sure you figure out your skin type. I did make a video about skin types and how to figure out what skin type that you have. So if you guys haven't seen that, check it out. I might just link it down below so you guys can see it. But the first thing I would do is figure out my skin type, because once you figure out what skin type you have, then you know exactly how to go about treatment and what you need in order to improve your skin quality, your skincare regimen, and to just make sure that you have the best looking skin that you can possibly have. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Okay, so the next thing that I would do, like I said, this is not any particular order or anything, but the next thing I would do is don't touch my face. Don't touch your face. Like, I know it's like easier said than done, but just don't touch your face. Your eyebrows scratch you, your cheeks might scratch you, your nose might scratch you. We are scratching our face or we're touching our face, but we're not realizing all the other places that our hands were. And now that bacteria is traveling to your skin, and then you're wondering why you got a bump on your face the next morning, 5 o'clock, when you're ready to go to work. Yeah, that could have been prevented. But you never prevent it because you touch your face. So don't touch your face. I know it's easy said than done, but just don't touch your face. Make sure you wash your hand before you touch your face, okay? The next tip I will give is make sure you remove your makeup. Everybody knows if you keep your makeup on, that can cause your skin to be inflamed because of the product. It's gonna seep in your pores, hence why we use primers and protectants, so that the chemicals from the makeup does not seep into our pores. But sometimes we fall asleep and things like this happen. But the best thing for you to do is just remove your makeup before you go to bed. Take your makeup off and cleanse your face, and then start with all the products that you use to keep your skin clear. You know what I mean? Next step is to stay hydrated. A lot of people, just like health, they tell you stay hydrated, drink a lot of water, drink a lot of water. But the reason why they're telling you this is because just like when you're trying to lose weight, the more you drink water is the more that water is flushing out all the toxins. So you're gonna eating good or eating more healthier, because I even have a problem when it comes to eating the right types of food. I'm not saying that you need to go out here and turn vegan and eat vegetables all day. Just eat in moderation. Don't sit around and eat junk food and fast food and then expect for your skin to reflect that. You know what I mean? Also, my next tip would be to go to sleep early. And that also ties in with eating, because I'm a type of person, if I'm staying up past my bedtime, I'm gonna get hungry. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat. And you know I'm not gonna eat anything healthy. I'm gonna eat the cakes, the snacks, the candies, anything to snack on. It's important to eat well. It's important to drink a lot of liquid fluids. It's important to get enough sleep. It all ties in. So my next tip would be to keep your skin moisturized. Just like how I said to drink a lot of water, your skin is hydrated on the inside, so it reflects on the outside, but you also have to topically moisturize your skin and keep your skin hydrated. It gives a more smoother appearance, it nourishes, and it's very beneficial to your skincare regimen. My last and final tip will be to use sunscreen. A lot of people don't like to use sunscreen because they feel like they're naturally protected by the sun, which is true to a certain extent. I did talk about this in one of my videos. But even though you don't go out every day in the sun, you're affected by the UV rays in this ring light that I'm using, in the light from my phone, in the light from my TV, even the light in the house. You're affected by it. I learned this in my electrolysis program. I'm going to be talking about electrolysis and laser and everything that you need to know about that, because I did go to school to become an electrologist and laser tech. So they did talk about lights and UV lights and UV rays and how they can affect us and how they can cause discoloration, just like how the sun rays cause discoloration. And a lot of people are more inside nowadays, but they're still having discoloration and dark spots and those issues, and they're wondering why. It's because we're more on our phone, we have the lights on in our house, we have the rays coming from our laptops. All this technology is causing us to have inflammation and skin issues because of the technology that we have. So it's very important to use sunscreen. Even when you're not going anywhere, use the sunscreen. Put the sunscreen on. Put a line right here with your 2-finger, wipe it on your face, rub it in, you know what I'm saying? Use the sunscreen because it can really like change your life, and it can really help you see a difference within your skin. So that is the conclusion of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys would like more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Follow me on all social media platforms. It is ADOREMONIFA. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.